बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। जिंदगी बदल देने वाली रूहानी दस्तक।
To remove dark circles on the face and dark circles around the eyes. A powerful wazifa to make the face bright, shiny and attractive. It is the desire of every human being to look beautiful, and to fulfill this desire, all kinds of efforts are made, that somehow our face becomes beautiful, bright and shiny, and in the gathering we go to attract the attention of people become the center. Expensive creams, formulas and medicines are also used to fulfill this desire. Due to which, sometimes, instead of benefit, the skin has to suffer, and the face becomes more dull. If you are worried about dark spots around your face or dark circles around your eyes, if your face is dull and yellow, your face is discolored and you are worried about it. Today we have come up with a Quranic wazifa which, if used as per our instructions, not only will the face become bright and shiny within a few days, but you will also look attractive. The blackness of the face and the dark circles around the eyes will disappear, but the face will become bright and shiny like the skin of children. Wazifa is very easy and there are no harmful effects. However, if the wazifa is not recited in the prescribed manner, there is a fear of not benefiting. So use the wazifa in the same way as the procedure is being told. Take 7 almonds and recite Surah Al-Kawthar 21 times on it.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Inna a'tainaka al-kawthar fasalli li rabbika wanhar inna shani'aka huwal abtar.
And recite Surah Al-Fatiha 26 times over a glass of milk.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
Eat almonds in the morning and drink this milk. After using it for a few days, you will notice a significant difference on your face. The skin of the face will become fresher and brighter. The yellowness of the face and the dark circles under the eyes will disappear soon. We hope you will like today's wazifa. May Allah support you.